It is amazing how many boats there are. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 80, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, don't know, there's too many to count over there in the distance. Let's call it 100, 102, 3, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, and a load under here coming out of Southampton water. That is incredible. The other amazing thing is how many yachts there are. Really, they outnumber the Mobos 10 to 1. Easy 10 to 1. Amazing.